Here.
Okay.
Ready?
Yep. Folks, here we have a 2023 John Deere 5075E, 75 horsepower, front wheel assist, and the man with a plan driving it. Looky there, it's got the roll bar, 3-point. PTO is still greasy from the factory. 830 hours, barely broken. It was used at a trailer manufacturer, just moved trailers around. You farmers, if you need to put up some hay, run an auger, anything like that, here you go. You want to try reverse? We'll see. We'll see. Yep. Forwards, reverse. Knee deep in rubber, ready for a ride and drive.
You want me to pop a wheelie? I will. Where do you want it, buddy? Same spot?
By the boat. There you go, folks. Selling Thursday, July 11th. www.integrity.bid. And you can be like Gil and drive off into the sunset.